explode. Cold as ice when I'm on the flow, hot as hell when I'm on the show. Rockin' mics is my occupation. Better understand what the hell you're facing. A real motherfucker that'll flood the nation with real hot shit that's never basic. Lies I'm taking, cash I'm making, staying on my job like a damn Jamaican. Promise myself I'll never fake it. Real dope boy that's down to make it. Act real tough, I'll strip you new. Come through rude with a bunch of dudes. We punching you like a punching bag. Now this nigga bruised, what the fuck is that? Detroit City been on the map. Detroit niggas been known to scrap. So face the facts, I will attack if this wall is on my back. I ain't playing games, me and lanes don't mix. Rolling up when I need my fix. You pay a bitch, I'll take a bitch. You go for broken, I'll go get rich. I get it, I got it, I need it, I want it. I get it, I got it, I need it, I want it. You know me, the nigga from the bar, the nigga from the mile, the nigga on the tile, the nigga on his grind, the nigga about to shine, the nigga about his cheese. Never fuck with the police, man, you niggas know me. Been there and I done that. Thugged out since they cut that cord. Dick swinging like a fucking sword. Stab the pussy till the cooch is sore. You don't like me, I don't care. You verse me ain't never fair. You can't fade me, I got no hair. The throne is mine and I don't share. I don't buy the bar, I don't make it rain, but I bleed the block and I flood the hood. You ask me shit, I'm doing good, just off doing the shit that I could. What? Everybody broke, everybody smoke, everybody drink, everybody think I'm the man to see when you need a key, when you need it cheap, when you need a freak. I'm the man to be what? Now niggas chicken like Kung Pow, so I come through like what? Pow, now you lay flat, what? Now, CEO of I-ENT, representative of the 313, you can catch me on Game Pro, that's keyword, human cheat code, you know. I get it, I got it, I need it,